What's going on, gang?
What's going on, baby? Still love me?
Alright, I'm not your baby, but yeah. So what's going on, kyuubi? What are
Yo,
you
who's that
playing with?
AK?
Me? Sadly.
Savis. Yeah, it's one of them. To find you. Just put it. Yo, look at that back chest right there. Crouch right here and look at the back one. That's what we're working with. You're not going out with AK, by the way.
It's beautiful, dude.
Matt, I'm gonna kill you right now. I don't have any BP, so if you lose that shit, we're
I have
fucked.
all. Listen, kyuubi, I got somebody to hold up right now. So I'm gonna take the launcher and rocket and some explosive ammo.
Just wait, what? I'm so confused.
Where is it?
Wait, Matt, you're actually rating him now?
Okay, I killed AK.
While you're spraying it, can you pick me up?
Yeah, I got you. Your DB's behind you. Force me through this wall. I'm dead. Yeah, Matt, go fuck yourself, retard. Cringe as fuck, dude. I'm actually cringing. I'm literally hard cringing.
Well, you're pretty cringeworthy, so.
Yo, monkey, shut the fuck up, idiot.
You won't listen to Crimea River, really?
Shut up. Fuck off. What are we gonna do now?
We're gonna push him with all the force and the winds of the thousand mighty seas.
Like,
Are you friendly?
it's broken.
Damn, we really out here.
I moved all the loot into this room right here. I'm gonna start rocketing. I have one more rocket.
Wait, you only have one?
Man, I'm rocking. We get up, man. Watch out, Marshall. I'm gonna rocket in 3,
I can just
2.
wait. Can I build up? Can I build up? And then we can just go down.
It's broken.
All right. See now.
There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it.
He's still in there.
Watch out, Mackie. They're gonna open the door and kill you.
Upstairs. Man, you're in, I'm going in.
I'm dead. He's one shot. He's literally 1 HP. I'm dead with all the rockets on me. What the fuck is all this shit? Why is all of our shit on the ground? All of our shit's on the ground in base. Everyone just took everything out and just threw it on the ground.
I'm behind you, Matt. Are you good?
Mackie.
What?
Over here. I'm in here. I got
What the fuck just happened? There's all of our sulfur. Everything's on the ground.
With the fucking
What
force?
just happened?
Yo, be quiet, bro. Where's...
I've secured the loot, kyuubi. Don't worry.
This shit.
Thank you, Mackie.
Okay, happened to all of us, bro.
All right. Follow me, Mackie. I got somewhere we need to go.
That's so much shit on me. I kind of don't want to be out here with all this shit, man.
I'm coming. Just give me gear.
No, I know where we're going. Don't worry. All right. Hey, give me all your components.
I don't have anything besides that.
All right. Thank you. All
I
right.
didn't
And then
pick
just
anything
cover,
up.
cover me while I scrap, right?
And there's nothing wrong
Yeah.
with that.
I get that entirely. I love being competitive. It's
I
so-
fucking love winning, especially when people are with like the comp. I just want to. What's up, Bob? Little Bob. You recycling your fucking metal?
What's going on?
Are you recycling your chest plate? Good shot one. They're bots.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Did you just recycle your gun? That's me. You want a hazy?
Yeah. Follow me.
I fucking hate you, man. Fucking guy. Did you just recycle that hazy?
Yeah.
You're a cock, dude. I hate you. No denying that we profited. Why the fuck is kyuubi muted?
I don't know.
Yeah, hello.
What's up?
Hey, welcome back. You have a
Why?
crossbow? You have a crossbow?
Why?
Why what? Are you friendly?
Um, what plays did you guys exactly make?
Check the furnaces?
Why is there consistently junk?
Kyuubi. Would you like?
Throw one. Throw. Alright. We're
Yeah.
done here.